born April 13, 1966 in Lagos State. He was appointed as an Assistant Superintendent of Police on May 18, 1992. He holds a Bachelor of Arts degree in English and also has 3 master's degrees in public administration, criminology, security, and legal psychology, and also in entrepreneurship. His time work as the officer in charge of Anti-Fraud State Criminal Investigation Department in Katsina. He was there between 1993 and 1998, where he helped curb the activities of fraudsters by apprehending fraud and criminal masterminds in Lagos. Thereafter, he was appointed the first aide-de-camp to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu when he was governor of Lagos State in 1999. Later, he was posted as directing staff to the Nigerian Police Academy in Kano. Between 2006 and 2014, he was officer in charge of training at the Nigerian Peacekeeping Department, where he led the first ever Nigerian police contingent for the African Union mission in Sudan to quell the uprising in Darfur, Sudan. He was also divisional police officer in Ondo State, officer in charge of anti-kidnapping in Rivers State, and officer in charge of special anti-robbery squad in Ondo and Oyo States. As Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of Criminal Investigation Department in Rivers State, and Commander Rapid Response Squad in Lagos State between 2015 police, where he headed the Admin Operations Department at Force Headquarters in the operations of the Nigerian Police, and organized the operations across various sections in 2021 and March 2023. Where he significantly led the intelligence and operations of the Intelligence Response Strategic Information Gathering within the Nigerian Police Force. He was responsible for intelligence gathering, surveillance, prosecution of serious complex criminal cases both within and outside the country. He has been decorated and received awards such as Best Commissioner of Police of the Year at the 2024 Inspector General of Police Recognition Awards, Rapid Response Squad. He was awarded the Most Outstanding Urban Crime Control Police Command in West Africa, in West and Central Africa in 2018. Lagos State was also named the best security and most safety-conscious state in Africa by the Security Watch in Africa when he was in charge. Mr. President, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Acting Inspector General of Police for decoration.
The acting IGP, Disu, your declaration today is not simply a conferment of rank, but a solemn charge to serve Nigeria with courage, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the Constitution. I took this decision for you to assume this responsibility because I know your record. I believe in dedication that you've exhibited while You were in Lagos and I was the governor of Lagos State. And now you assume this responsibility at a defining moment for our nation's security and expect you to strengthen the discipline, enhance interagency collaboration, and restore public confidence in Nigerian police. Lead firmly but fairly, demand professionalism at every level, and ensure that safety of lives and property remains our highest priority. It's a daunting challenge. I know you can do it. You have my full support as you have to advance the security pillars of a New Hope agenda. You are a straightforward individual, committed and respected. You have sufficient amount of discipline. And you can draw from experience of Nigerianpolitics, who had been there before you. The commitment I need from you is for you to make it better than you met it. And I'm sure you can do it. Nigeria is challenged right now with banditry, terrorism, and all sorts of criminal activities. You've been part of the thinking, and you've been part of the innovation. The challenge as you hold the baton of this leadership is the belief that you will excel and Nigeria will prevail. To the outgoing Inspector General of Police, Ngbeke, I extend the gratitude of the entire country, Nigeria. We are a grateful nation to you for our dedication in service, exhibition of good leadership, attribute within the force. You have served with commitment and extension. And Nigeria appreciates your contribution to maintaining law and order in our country. As we conclude this chapter of public life, I wish you and your family continued peace, good health, and success in all your future endeavors. One thing you should look back and remember is this: you have not succeeded without a good successor. Therefore, the success of a Disu IGP, when confirmed, is part of your responsibility and the joy that you should look forward to. I'm also, having been your principal staff officer before, I have no doubt he understands the ins and outs of the operation. He will only improve. He's an operational person from what I know. Nigeria is challenged. We all have the responsibility to ensure security of lives and the property of all Nigerians at this critical period. We can drink from the fountain of your experience.